Doesn't always get it right. Stephen Taylor's waiting for it. Over it comes, Colaccini! Still the chance, Colaccini! Off balance and off target. Colaccini just about got it to Ameobi. Cool with some decent defending. And Colaccini on the turn, didn't quite know where the posts were.